Gluten intolerance, also known as non-celiac gluten sensitivity, is a condition that affects a growing number of individuals worldwide. It occurs when the body negatively reacts to gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. Gluten intolerance can cause various symptoms that can affect different areas of the body. In this article, we will explore 8 warning signs that you may have gluten intolerance. Gastrointestinal problems. Gluten intolerance can cause several gastrointestinal issues, including bloating, abdominal pain, constipation, and diarrhea. These symptoms often occur shortly after consuming gluten-containing foods and can last for several hours. Skin problems. Gluten intolerance can also affect the skin, leading to a rash known as dermatitis herpetiformis. This rash appears as small, itchy blisters on the elbows, knees, and buttocks and can be quite uncomfortable. Headaches. Frequent headaches and migraines can also be a sign of gluten intolerance. This is because consuming gluten can trigger an inflammatory response in the body, leading to headaches. Joint pain. Gluten intolerance can cause joint pain and stiffness, particularly in the knees, hips, and fingers. This is because gluten can cause inflammation in the body, leading to joint pain. Fatigue. If you feel tired and sluggish after consuming foods containing gluten, you may have gluten intolerance. Gluten can cause inflammation in the body, leading to fatigue and low energy levels. Mood changes. Gluten intolerance can also affect mental health and lead to mood changes. People with gluten intolerance can experience symptoms of anxiety and depression, which can be quite distressing. Brain fog. Gluten intolerance can cause brain fog, a condition where a person has difficulty concentrating and thinking clearly. This symptom can be particularly challenging for people who need to perform mental tasks. Unexplained weight loss. In some cases, gluten intolerance can cause unexplained weight loss. Gluten can cause inflammation in the gut, leading to malabsorption and weight loss. In conclusion, gluten intolerance can cause a range of symptoms that can significantly affect your quality of life. If you experience any of these warning signs, it is essential to consult a healthcare professional to get an accurate diagnosis and develop a treatment plan. A gluten-free diet is the most effective treatment for gluten intolerance, and avoiding gluten-containing foods can help alleviate your symptoms and improve your overall health and well-being.